So Hans is skiing around another circular ski trail, but this trail has a radius of 3 miles. Hans is skiing at a constant speed of 4 radians every hour. Alright, so Hans covers 4 radians per hour. What is Hans's linear speed? Well, if Hans is able to sweep out 4 radians in an hour, that means 4 radius lengths fits on this arc length, giving us a total arc length of 12 miles. He's covering 12 miles per an hour. Another equation that might be useful to have is that we can realize that velocity will actually be angular speed times the radius length. Because remember, angular speed is radians per time. But here, let's look at this. Velocity, it makes sense, is arc length over time. However, arc length equals radius times, or theta times r. So velocity is theta times r over t. But remember, angular speed is theta over t, which we have right here. So velocity is the angular speed times the radius. Another good equation to have down in your notebooks. Okay, if Hans has been skiing for only 20 minutes, what angle has he swept out? How far has he skied? And what area does Hans's angle cover? So Hans has only been skiing for 20 minutes. "20 minutes is a third of an hour, so he's only covered a third of this 4 pi. His angle is going to be 4 radians divided into thirds, so 4 thirds radians. How far has he skied? Alright, well, there's a couple ways we can figure this one out. One, we could take our 12 miles and cut it into thirds. That means Hans has skied 4 miles. Another way is to use our equation S equals theta r, where theta is 4 thirds, r is 3, and that also gives us 4 miles. In either case, Hans has skied 4 miles. Now we want to know, what area does Hans's angle cover? Well, if he's gone 4 thirds of a radian, we can take 4 thirds, divide by 2 pi, and that tells us that we are working with 0.212, or about 21.2% of a circle. The area of the entire circle is pi r squared, which in this case is pi 3 squared, 9 pi, or approximately 28.27. The sector area, so the area that Hans has covered, is then this 28.27 times 0.212, which is about 6 square miles. And that's your answer.